Yes, my people, welcome back to DMAC 4K World Tour. Yeah, man, coming to you live from St. James. I'm in Garland. Yes, so I'm here with this
Anne-Marie.
lovely lady, Anne Marie.
Yes, Anne-Marie Kelly.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, what's up?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah, man. I'm here to look at your house, and you can tell me all about what Melissa has done to you.
Well, Melissa, lift off my house top,
Yeah.
fling it one side.
Yeah?
All my furnitures get damaged. I have to throw it outside. And right now inside, there's no Salitex where it blow down, the ceiling come down. So that's where we reach. Yeah, Melissa, lift the top, lift the cap in to realize the veranda still can't go on yet. My husband tried to see if he can put up back that we could stay in to realize.
Okay, okay. So you want to give me a tour of your house?
Yes, you can. Let me show you around the back first.
Yes.
Around the back, here, there's a lot of things that we have to throw outside. Some of them we have to burn them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's my husband.
Oh, how's your work going there? You're the on camera right now. That good? All right.
To realize he might try to put back the place together, so we furniture, fridge and thing outside.
Okay.
If we burn up some,
Uh-huh.
and so we're going to go inside now.
Wow. So it's time hungry or bad, man?
This time hungry bad.
Uh-huh.
Yes. So you know we need help. Help. Inside. This is inside of the house. That is how it stays. See
Wow.
there? I know we not finish. We can't finish up yet. So it takes steer down. We are trying to see what we can do to get inside fixed.
Wow.
Yes. Right in here. We are trying. We still not have to show out. That's the way how we stay now.
Wow. Yeah, so. All right, so we can go inside here too?
Yes, man.
Okay.
Inside here, you see inside here, maybe a little dark.
Yes.
Darker room. And see it here, as I tell you, we are trying to see what much we can do.
Yeah.
This is the bathroom, the top lift. We are see if we can put it together, but we have to just go on with it as how we have it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, at the same time, still have to give thanks
Yeah,
still, you know?
that, yes.
Because it could be worse than this. We have life, we can bounce back, you know?
Yeah, man.
So, Miss Marie, you have a number?
Yes, I have a number for contacting. As I said, I need a little help. As much help as I can get, I'll give God thanks for it.
Yes.
And my number is 876 366 8648, or you can call 872 8319.
All right.
Okay.
All right, and thank you so much. Yes.
Over here,
Yes.
they are trying to remodel back. This is a little school. And they are trying to remodel it back because it was blown off too.
Oh, okay.
So and this house.
And this house here. Oh. So somebody actually did live in this one here?
Yes, and they move out.
Oh, Lord. Whoa. And guys, guess who's here with me?
Sadie!
So you remember Sadie get mashed up in this time, you know, so
Yes.
you have to try and
Help me, please.
yes, yes. Yeah, Sadie, so you can give your number back.
531 90 94. But still there is no signal.
Yes.
There is no signal up here.
Down.
Oh, up the top there.
Down. Yes, even the coconut tree that was there, it lifted the coconut tree out of the root.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
And and you can see how it do the apple tree.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. That house that we are heading for out there, it was blown down. As you see, it is not finished.
So we're going into
Going
Garlands.
straight into Garland Square.
Oh.
That house over there is my brother-in-law house.
This one here?
Yes, it finished this whole side. So I have to try to fix the other side so that him and him family can get in.
Okay. Alright guys, and when I reach closer I'll give you a better shot of the house. Yeah, so we're just walking going to the square now of Garland.
Yeah, when you reach out, that is square. Shanique, this,
Yeah. Alright, so
this is my brother-in-law house.
right over
He was
here.
living over there, and Melissa take the whole away. You see that side. Only leave that little side over there.
Oh wow.
Anessa,
Look at that.
Anessa. Take the whole over.
Alright guys, so
The shop.
Yeah?
This is a shop
where?
right here,
Right here, sir?
and it was being blown down. This is Maki shop,
Oh, okay.
and Maki and Natisha. And I can give you Natisha number where somebody can reach her to. She really need the help because her house gone too.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
But we are on at the background. Yes.
Oh, this is the health center. Okay.
Yes, guys, we are in Garlands now.
Yeah.
This is Garlands now, as you see.
Garland Square.
Yes, Garland Square, and we are heading for the health center
Okay.
where the top has been blown off.
Wow.
Yes.
Yes. So what over there, so?
That house, that's my cousin house I'm telling you about, Miss Jean.
Oh, we can go on there?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm one of them.
Good morning, sir.
She know me like
He's one of the shelter. We
Okay.
have no house, living nowhere
that.
now.
Really?
As you realize, whoever is listening, his name is Brass.
Yeah, otherwise all in green.
Okay.
Mr. Green, living nowhere.
Wow. So we're staying now?
Up by the school,
Up by the school here? Okay.
the shelter.
Yes.
And we have to leave there, remember.
We have to evacuate now because school
I've
school
got
in
got
session.
Oh. Oh.
But I don't need one house but I'm on there. God know me screen. Choose, they know me like that, sir. That's why they give me a little hint.
Oh.
You know, sir.
So how we can reach out? If anybody want to help you?
Well, if there's any help that you need to give Mr. Green,
Yes.
you can reach out to me. Mine, as I say, my number is 366
Yeah.
86 48.
All right.
Thank
All right.
you.
Yeah, man.
Okay, Miss Mar?
Okay, Brass.
Okay, dog.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And you're nice to meet you, sir.
Okay, man. Have a nice day now. Yes.
Okay, this is the health center. As you see, the health center have no top.
Wow.
Breeze have blown it off. Yes,
Anyone up here now?
Yes, records.
Okay. Oh, and if you have to let them know, we can
Yes.
can just
No, I'm not going inside and
can really
Miss
put them.
Green.
All right, guys. So we are going to the health center here. Oh, look at it, guys. Oh gosh. Wow.
Yes. Yes, Miss Green and Miss
Oh,
Simit.
look at that.
Yes. The top is off.
Yeah.
Yes. Anessa Simit.
Uh huh.
Her house has been blown out.
Okay.
Have no house.
Wow.
What she catch. This is her father's house.
Right here.
Right here, blown down too. And he tried to catch it up back.
Okay.
In order to live in it.
Uh-huh.
Okay, that's her house up there.
Right up.
Gone.
Whoa.
Her house up there, she have no house.
No house.
As I show you the house down there,
Yeah.
I tell her that's where my brother-in-law live.
Uh-huh.
That's where she is, my brother-in-law. The baby mother.
Oh, okay.
Child's father.
Okay. So this is your house, Anissa?
This is where her house was, and it was all blown down. Nothing left.
Mm-mm.
So she badly need help.
So you don't save nothing?
Nothing.
Wow.
Not even clothes for the child to go to school. Everything
Wow.
blew off in the pan down there.
Look at that, guys.
One at the bottom there. One
Eh?
in high school, one at There's a pan down there, one in high school, one is going Malden High, and one is going up by Garland School.
Oh, that is your 2 kids?
Yes.
Okay.
So
Oh.
she lose all her pet book and stuff.
She lose everything?
Mhm.
Wow.
So
Okay.
as I say, she all need help.
Yeah.
She all the 2 children and herself.
Mm-hmm.
She need help.
Yeah. All right. So if anyone want to,
So if anyone who wishes to help her, I would be thankful and grateful to give for you people to give her the help. She need it.
Mhm.
She need it. She live in nowhere. She have nowhere for herself. She have to be in catching at people's place.
Yeah.
I was actually in a building, but the ladies from England and she had asked us to leave, so we had to leave.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So you want your phone number to be
No,
stand?
she have a number.
Oh well, give
So you
show.
can give her.
shout
them
out your phone number now.
Her shout out.
427-0468.
Okay.
427-0468.
And it,
Anissa Smith.
Anissa Smith.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Wow.
And that's her daddy's house.
Right over here.
Right over here.
Mhm.
He just try to put up something to help himself back
Yeah.
because he never live nowhere just like she.
Mhm. Mhm. Okay.
So he try to put up something to help himself. Mr. Smith, this is
Oh,
Mr.
go on.
Yeah, my brother.
What you say?
I'm doing good.
Yes.
Yeah, give thanks.
Yeah, give thanks. You're still alive.
Yes, man, greatest.
Yes.
Greatest man.
Yeah, man. As I say, I'm a YouTuber passing through the air and trying to get some help for.
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, man. So
No, but we have to try help ourselves first. Too.
yes, definitely.
Sure.
Yes, you can't sit and wait.
No, can't sit on wait.
Yes.
No, sir.
So as we see, I throw some fertilizer there.
Yes, man. I will give some lettuce and
Oh.
top try.
Oh, your lettuce that?
Yeah, man.
Okay. So you go.
Manure it now.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Yeah,
nice.
had the top try them out there, so.
Mhm. Okay.
So I have to try to do a thing too, you know.
Yes, man. All right. All right then. Take care
Yes,
here.
man. All the best, man. No problem.
Yes, man. Mhm.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Tell me how you are coping now.
It's kind of rough. I was working at a school for about 2 years, but my contract wasn't renewing.
Mhm.
So I'm not in a job like right now, and my daughter has a memory problem, so I don't really leave her go anywhere.
Okay. How old is the daughter?
She's gonna be 12 couple months time. She's supposed to be in grade 6, but I had to repeat her because she's slow.
Oh, okay. So you badly need of help to get a roof back over your head. So and books. What about clothes?
That's important. Well, our parents at the school,
Mhm.
I was having problem with clothes for her to go back to school, and her parents gave me some.
Mhm.
A teacher sent some shoes,
Mhm.
so she can't have them to wear
Oh,
to class because they said no shorts, no
Mhm.
skirt, no tights. I didn't have any dress and any pants, so
Oh.
our parents gave her some.
okay. All right. All right. So thanks for that info here.
Okay.
Yes, and you have a carpenter in the area can look at the house and something.
Yes, man, a carpenter live next door, so I can ask him to come and look to find out if the boards can use to form out a foundation.
Okay. Well, all right. All right. So you can just repeat back your number.
And my number is 427-0468.
All right.
427-0468.
All right. Then thanks. Yeah, man.
Welcome.
Yeah. All right, guys. So where we are going now?
We are still in Garland.
Yes.
And as we are heading to where the Justice of the Peace, Miss Sonia Campbell,
Mhm.
otherwise Sonia Morgan Campbell.
Yeah.
She has been married. And she's been sick out and have to leave because of Melissa.
Wow.
Melissa have blown off her house all completely.
This one over here?
Yes.
Wow.
Everything inside damaged. damage. Nothing leave inside, as you can see. The top, all the zinc them down there.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's rough.
Everything gone. And up there is the post office where I was.
Which one?
That this one, the
This
front.
right here?
Yes. The top has been gone.
We'll go over there, no?
Marika, the top has been blown off. The door have been mashed up.
Uh-huh.
Nothing have been left away
Oh.
from the two windows. Yes.
So this is the Garland
This is the
post office.
Garland's post office. It
Wow.
have been damaged completely. Veranda teared off, broke off, everything gone. See it there?
Yeah.
Has been done.
Oh.
All of inside, as you see,
Yeah.
everything is gone. Nothing. Yes,
Totally.
totally gone. So if there's any help you can give to us, you people, I will be thankful, thankful very much.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. See if we can cut them back.
Yes. This is up by the school.
Oh, around here.
This is the school to go up by the school.
Mm-hmm.
Where there's people who would have to go to shelter, as you see over there is Miss Morgan place, just the same. Trees tore down, as usual.
Okay.
Yes. And you see people trying to put back in places
Yeah,
together.
put back those pieces together.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. So the school. So the school.
This is the school road.
Oh, the school. Road. So the school did get damaged though.
Well, as far as I'm concerned, there was a little part, but they let them fix it back.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know if you want to go up there,
No man, it's alright.
but it's alright.
We can just go back into the square, you know. Uh-huh. All right. Yeah.
Tango!
Yeah. All right, guys. So this is Garland Square. Yeah. So we are back in Garland Square. And guys, look at this. Look at this sign here. Even the end, Melissa take out of the sign. Look at that. No. Yes. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. What's up, man? Where you say? Yeah, you alright? Alright. Yeah. Thanks for supporting the channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye from Garland. All right, guys. We are here, still in Garland here, and this is Mr. Gentleman. Wait, what is his name, sir?
My name is Anthony Roy Vernon.
And he's a farmer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And tell me all about what Melissa do.
Melissa blow down the wall of my house here, as you can see it.
Uh-huh.
I fix up back one little place because I have a 96-year-old mother. I have 2 daughters, 1 son.
Mm-hmm.
And I have to just try to help out back a situation. I can't build back all like me need some help.
Yeah.
But I have to just catch up back one little part where we can stay.
Yes.
You know, see, so I need some help. If anybody can reach out to me, just reach out.
Yes. And you want to take me up there and show me around?
Yeah, man, you can come and see your place.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
What's up? You alright?
Yes, I'm good.
So this is your mommy?
Yeah, this is my
Hi, mommy.
Hello, Dr. Sonny.
What's up?
Well, I have one time. If you got me, he's going to give me a new grandson can come with me. So, okay, so I'm in Ghana.
Okay. So she's
You see,
the rest of our daytime.
uh-huh.
And you can come inside.
So she's 96.
Oh,
Oh Lord.
you want to fix back the thing?
You wanna have
Yeah,
it?
look,
Oh.
see there.
Okay, we can go upside.
Man, not afraid.
Oh Lord. Okay. So this is where you.
Where she sleep at night and then look over there.
Oh, your mama sleep over here?
Yeah, I mean, the daughter sleep right here.
Okay. Whoa. Oh, look at that, guys.
Yeah, man. So I see a little bathroom on here, so.
Oh, this is a bathroom.
Yeah, a little bathroom this side, you know.
Oh. So your mommy go up this step here?
Yeah, man, you hold on and go for my holding hand and then where they see a little bathroom there. See it there?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. And I just farming alone, you do?
Me do right now, daddy.
Oh, Lord. Look at this step, guys. Look at it.
Yeah, man.
And a 96-year-old.
Take
Wow.
time, go up on it.
Yes. All right. So you have a phone number?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, shout out your phone number then now.
Yeah, man, my number 473
Uh-huh.
47 32.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right. All right, mommy, take care of yourself here.
Yes, sir. I'm God let me have him.
Okay, take care of you.
I'm a grand people here. I'm a call it here.
Ah.
And they are some support. I will take. They will come from my phone.
All right then, take care here.
Yes, sir.
Yes. All right, guys, I'm here in Tango River. I'm here with Kerry and Grant. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, what's up?
I'm good. How
Yes.
about yourself?
I'm all right, you know. I'm just here showcasing the era, what Melissa has done and left.
My God, it was so terrible.
Yeah.
See, it took 3 parts
Yeah.
of the house.
Mm-hmm.
2 bedroom and the hall.
Oh,
And the veranda here.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the hall over here.
Yeah.
Okay, can I have a look?
Can take a look.
Okay.
As you see.
Okay, so, oh. So all the roof and the back part gone.
Everything.
Wow.
All the front part stuff.
Only the front part leave. And look at
You
that.
can check this side too if you want.
So this side is,
One of the bedroom.
oh, okay. So come. Oh. Oh.
As you can see, no roof.
No roof here.
Only the tarpy.
Uh-huh. And all of here gone.
Here, this is another bedroom.
Oh, this was another bedroom on here. Oh God. That guys. See, actually,
Great damage.
yes, big damage, very big damage. Uh-huh. Oh. All right. So you have a phone number? If,
Yeah.
if anybody want to reach out to you guys, can give you.
840
Mm-hmm.
6922
Mm-hmm.
441 4233
Uh-huh.
and your number is in here.
876-483-3070.
All right, my brother.
JJ, how are you?
All right.
Well,
All
that's
right.
pretty much it.
Yes. All right then. Take care
And you too.
and have a nice day now.
And you keep up the good work.
Yeah, man, and thanks.
Yes.
Yes.
Welcome.
Yeah. All right, guys. I'm just reaching a Springfield here and see some lovely folks here trying to help clean up the road. You know. So they say they are clean up the road from Springfield. Go straight to where? Kensington. Okay. So let's start today. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Yeah.
So we can find you two channel we can find.
Eh?
Where you two channel?
DMAC 4K World Tour.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, man. So I just go around and showcase and try to look help for the people in the whole area here.
Okay.
So I come from up the road here. I do all of this video right around here. Mm-hmm.
You can show them your house because I brought down.
Which one?
See, come over here side.
Which was that?
My house was right here.
Oh, your house down there, sir?
That's my sister's house. My house was right there where you see the bed and the things them. And it gone.
Really?
Yes, it gone.
So where you live now?
I live with my sister.
Okay. And the house, what time you live? Oh Lord.